Hello friends, welcome to our channel Universal Paji. In today's Excel tutorial, we will learn about macros. Yes, you heard it right, macros. So this tutorial would be for all the beginners out there who are new to Excel macro and who wants to know how macro works and how we can design macros in our Excel workbook. So what are macros in Excel file? If you have tasks in Microsoft Excel that you do repeatedly, you can record a macro to automate those tasks. A macro is an action or set of actions that you can run as many times as you want. When you create a macro, you are actually recording your mouse clicks and keystrokes. So whatever action that you perform while working on Excel is recorded. So let's start today's video. Before that, Namaskar, Sat Shri Akal, Adab and hello friends. My name is Surjit and you're watching your own YouTube channel Universal Paji. Let's run how to record macro in a workbook. So you can see on the screen I have 4 sheets available: sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3 and sheet 4. So what I have done, I have written the name of the people here, their respective age, their weight, and this one is the sheet name. So as you can see, I have name as test 1 till test 10 on sheet 1. Similarly, I have sheet 2 here, wherein sheet name is coming as sheet 2, here the sheet 3 and here sheet 4. So my requirement is that I want to consolidate or collate the data of all the 4 sheets. So obviously I have to copy paste it. However, using macro I can automate the task. So let's see how to do it. To record a macro, what you have to do, you have to click on View. Here you can see a macro word is here along with a down arrow key. If I click on it, it's giving me 2 options, View Macro and Record Macro. So in this case, I will click on Record Macro and will perform all the required tasks so that it will start recording. I click on Record Macro, so it's giving me the macro name. So what I can do, I can change it here. It's my collate macro. Here is asking me the shortcut key using which I can run the macro on this particular file. So what I will do, I will write Ctrl J. You can provide any alphabet here. So I have written Ctrl J. You can also add description. If it's not required, you can leave it as it is, because description provides you the information about the macro that you created. I click on OK. Now what Excel is doing, Excel is recording every click or whatever I'm doing on this Excel file. So as I need to collate the data, I will go to sheet 1, click on here, select the data, use Ctrl C to copy it, go to my collate sheet, here I click here and paste it here. Similarly, I'll go to sheet 2. As I want to copy the data here, so I will select the required data. I will go to collate sheet. I will select here. Use Control down arrow to go to the last row. Here I pasted it. Now I go to sheet 3. Selected the data that I want to copy. Control C. Went to collate sheet, click here again, use Control down arrow to go to the last row, again click down arrow, Control V, pasted the sheet 3 data here. Similarly, I'll go to sheet 4, click, select the complete data, go to collate file, here, down arrow again and pasted it here. So what I have done, I have copied the data of 4 sheets, sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3 and sheet 4 using Ctrl C and pasted on collate sheet using Ctrl V, one underneath other. So let me stop the recording here, and it stopped the recording. Now see the beauty. Let me delete everything here. I am not doing anything right now. I'm not selecting any sheet or not going to any sheet right now, as Control J was the shortcut. If you remember, while creating macro, we selected the shortcut as Control J. On my keyboard, I'm simply pressing Control J. Let's see what will happen. I press Control and J. See the beauty. All the members from sheet 1 till sheet 4 are copied automatically. I did not go to any single sheet, you can see. So all the data is present here. You checked it yourself. It was done in fraction of seconds. Let me delete the data again. I selected A2. I pressed Ctrl and J. Bingo. I must say, with a blink of an eye, all the data is copy pasted here. It was so fast. Let me create another macro and show you another example that how you can use a macro in different ways. Let me delete here. So once again, let me go to macro word here, record macro, and here I want to beautify my data, so I will give the shortcut key as Control B. Click on OK. So what I want to do, now the Excel is recording everything, so let me select the heading, make it bold, let me color it as black, let me select the text color as white, let me increase the font a bit like this. You can see, correct the width. Now let me select these shades here and let me give the border as all borders. Stop the macro now because everything is recorded. I stopped it. Okay, alright. So let me show you how two macros are working. Okay, let me first remove everything from here, all the borders and all that. Okay, let me make it any color so that you can see that all the things will be done. Let me make it yellow, let me make it black, let me decrease the font. Now run the first macro. The shortcut was Control J. Bingo. All the things are pasted here. Now let's start the next macro. That was Control B. I press Control, I press B. See what happened. It created the border. It automatically changed the color of the heading, increased the font, and everything is looking so amazing right now, right? So using this method, you can record your repetitive task in macros and perform all those tasks in automation way by using the shortcuts that we assign to a macro. Two more things and important things that I would like to share with you is that here, if you're unable to see macro, then what you can do, you can also add developers option in the ribbon. So how to do that? You simply need to click on File, Options. In Options, click on Customize Ribbon. Here, check the developer part, the developer word that is coming here, and click on OK. So you can see one developer tab is added here, and here you can also see the record macro button, right? So this is the method to add developer tab to your ribbon. Other than that, whenever you have completed the task and you have done everything using macros, always save the file as save as, browse. Here, always select Excel macro enabled workbook because it will create a macro enabled workbook. So you have to select macro enabled workbook here and then click on save. So this one is a macro enabled workbook, and whenever you open this workbook and use the shortcuts assigned, you will always see automation. Hope you have liked this video, and please subscribe to our channel if you are new to our channel, and please do share your comments or questions if you have any, and we would answer them accordingly. Please click on the like button if you have liked the video, and we will meet in our next video. Till then, take care. God bless you. Bye bye.